General conditions, cleanliness, and organization of loading bay area. No obstructions or debris on loading dock. Floor, surface condition, damage or hazards. Adequate lighting, especially for nighttime operations. Dock equipment condition of dock levelers. Seals and shelters, damage or malfunctioning parts on dock plates/ramps. Dock bumpers in place and good condition. Dock doors operation, seals, and safety features. Safety signage. Clear signage indicating loading bay area and safety instructions, markings showing load capacity, vehicle clearance heights, and prominent hazard warnings, emergency equipment, functional fire extinguishers, and first aid kits readily available. Emergency exits clearly marked and unobstructed for quick evacuation. Vehicle restraints properly engaged and functioning vehicle restraint systems, wheel chocks, dock locks. Compatibility with various types of vehicles and trailers. Environmental controls condition and operation of HVAC systems. Ensure HVAC systems operate efficiently. Proper ventilation to prevent fume buildup, communication systems, functioning intercoms and two-way radios, clear communication channels between dock workers and truck drivers, electrical and mechanical electrical outlets and lighting fixtures, condition hydraulic systems for dock levelers free from leaks. Security measures. Verify functionality of security cameras and access control systems. Ensure gates, fences, and barriers are secure to prevent unauthorized access to the loading bay area. Regulatory compliance. Confirm compliance with relevant regulations and standards, including OSHA regulations for workplace safety. Review inspection records and maintenance schedules to ensure regulatory compliance. Employee training. Ensure dock workers are trained in safety procedures and emergency protocols. Conduct regular safety training sessions and drills to reinforce awareness and preparedness. Using eAuditor audits and inspections for conducting warehouse loading bay inspections enhances efficiency, accuracy, and data management. The app allows for customizable inspection checklists, compatible with smartphones and tablets used by warehouse staff. The system includes secure login authentication, restricting access to authorized personnel only through usernames, passwords, or biometric methods. Data collection input. Data directly using drop-down menus, checkboxes, or text fields. Capture photos of observed issues or hazards for documentation. Real-time communication. Integrated communication features enable managers to assign tasks to inspectors and add comments to inspection reports. Reporting and analysis. Generate comprehensive reports directly from the app and analyze data to identify trends and areas for improvement. By implementing eAuditor for loading bay inspections, warehouses can significantly improve safety compliance while creating a more efficient inspection workflow.